Hello, coming to you from the Lumberjack Forest. We are making improvements on our Lumberjack booklet. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can be accessing the information for pages 5 and 6 in your Lumberjack book and how we'll go about and do the puzzle pages today. So this is going to be really familiar to yesterday. I have my workbook open. And I have my interactive book open to pages 5 and 6. So this one says 5 on the bottom, and I'm moving it over on the right, the one with cutting trees. Now, again, we're going to be working with right there answers. Sorry about that. We're going to be working with right there answers, and we're specifically, again, looking for jobs in the lumber camp. These are more out in the woods though, and the lumberjacks come back to the camp each night. So we're going to look for each job along the assembly line in the forest. So do you remember when we did our crane factory earlier this year and each person had a different job that helped the whole process go better? Well, the lumberjacks did that too. The first person did one job, and then the second person always did the second job, and the third person did the third job, and so on and so forth, all the way down. And they had a job description for each one. So in your workbook today, again, you're going to be looking for the jobs. I am on my slide view, and you can't probably see this behind my video. Maybe you can. And this is page 5A. So my 5A goes with the jobs that I find on page 5. There's 3 of them. I'd be clicking on some things that would be very helpful. And the same thing on page 6. We're going to be looking for some right there answers, some other jobs. Remember to be clicking on the links. Those are going to give you some helpful hints. So we have this page today with the job descriptions. Help me. I'm going to just zoom out there for you so that you can see a little bit better. Then we have a puzzle page. And we'll have this page. Actually, this one's going to move up a little bit. And this one right here where it's another puzzle page with some fun math in it. I'm going to give you some little hints here. The jobs is easy. So I will let you go at that. A lot of you did an awesome job yesterday as I was watching and looking at those. On this one, I'm going to go back. This one goes 5B. So I'm going to use page 5 in my book. So page 5 down here, I'm using that page. And let's see, what are the directions? See if you know what jobs in logging these are describing. Some of them might go back a little bit further to page 4, but I think most of them are going to be from page 5. And I think you can figure them out. And these blanks under here tell you how many letters are in it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Must be strong and able to work well with a partner. Need to be skillful with a crosscut. Let me go back. Oh, I see crosscut here. I'm going to reread because a good reader always rereads to double check to make sure. My job was at the end of a saw. Sawyers, they called us. The big saw called a crosscut had handles on each end. I pushed and pulled on one end, and my partner pushed and pulled on the other. Will was the partner I liked best. So the crosscut is the saw, and the sawyer is the job. So the one that worked with the crosscut saw was the sawyer. And we're going to spell this right. Again, I'll cap lock it. So we worked with that one. Now on the bottom here, this is going to be kind of interesting. I'm going to be learning this right along with you. I'm viewed and zoomed in. I might want to zoom in a little bit more again. This bottom is a coloring one. Color the letters that make up the lumberjack cry of timber and find the tools they use. So anywhere I see a T, an I, an M, a B, an E, and an R, I'm going to color it in. Now I have this special tool right here, and it's a shape. I'm going to try and find a shape to match. So I clicked on my shapes tool. I'm going to click on my shapes, and I'm going to click this one, a rectangle. Ooh, I see an M right here. And I'm just pulling down and coloring in. That one worked. Let's see. Oh, I see a T right there. And you can change your color if you want. I'm going to go to shape. That looks like a triangle. Looks kind of like this shape. So I'm going to try and pull this one in and see what it does. Huh, that didn't work. Maybe I can stretch that. Nope, that didn't work. We'll undo that. You guys are probably going to be better at this than I am. Here's another way to do it. Go into your line. Click on your line tool again. Click. And here's an E. Nope, that didn't work either. Well, this part could be challenging. See if you can see the picture in the picture. And I'm going to put a clue down here that's if you can figure out what it is. It's actually two different tools. If you look really closely at the picture, see if you can picture what it is. I'll have a place for you to write what the answer is. I will, and then on the last page, you're going to solve the math problems. 1 times 1 is 1. So I'm going to go up here. 1. Ooh, that's a P. So I am going to type in a capital P. Then I'm going to go solve the next problem and match it with the letter. Good luck. You can do it. Have fun solving puzzles and finding jobs today.